In a world where precision and efficiency are paramount, artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape of quality control. With its advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities, AI is revolutionizing the way products are inspected and tested. Gone are the days of manual inspections and human errors. AI-powered systems can now analyze vast amounts of data in real time, ensuring consistent and accurate results. Imagine a manufacturing unit where every product is meticulously examined by AI-powered cameras and sensors. These intelligent systems can detect even the tiniest defects or anomalies, ensuring that only the highest quality products reach the market. With AI, manufacturers can significantly reduce the risk of faulty products, saving time and resources. But AI doesn't stop at inspection. It also plays a crucial role in predictive maintenance. By analyzing historical data and patterns, AI can predict when a machine is likely to fail, allowing for proactive maintenance and minimizing downtime. This not only saves costs but also improves overall productivity. Furthermore, AI is enabling autonomous decision-making and quality control. With its ability to learn from past experiences, AI can make informed decisions on whether a product meets the required standards or needs further inspection. This not only speeds up the process, but also reduces the reliance on human judgment. The future of quality control is here, and it is powered by artificial intelligence. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated AI systems that can adapt and learn in real time. With AI, the possibilities are endless, and the quality of our products will only continue to improve. Join us in embracing this AI revolution and unlock a new era of precision, efficiency, and excellence in quality control. Together, let's shape the future of manufacturing with artificial intelligence.